Last Saturday, the 1st Battalion, the Irish Guards, trooped their regimental colour before Her Majesty the Queen for the monarch's official birthday parade. Crowds lined the Mall to catch a glimpse of the sovereign's escort, whilst millions watched worldwide, marvelling at the military precision of the spectacle and reflecting on Her Majesty's continuing lifelong service to the nation at the age of 91. The Queen is renowned for her attention to detail and knowledge of the more complex manoeuvres performed, and as always, after weeks of training, the parade proceeded with absolute perfection. At home and abroad, Her Majesty has been a symbol of stability in times of political, economic and social turmoil. She has undertaken her daily duties with apparent ease for 2/3 of a century and has guided our constitutional monarchy from the steam age of the 20th century to the digital age of the 21st. The Queen remains the constitutional centrepiece of our society as head of state, head of the Commonwealth and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, and her role, transcending party politics over 3 generations, is reflected in a bond of affection between sovereign and people, unparalleled in any other world leader or politician. Her Majesty is respected by billions around the world for her dignity and unwavering service to our nation in a living historical tradition stretching back more than 1,000 years. Today she continued her service in the state opening of Parliament as she opened our Assembly a year ago. The monarchy has never been more popular in modern times, and it remains a priceless asset, vastly enhancing our prestige around the world and enabling our small island to punch well above their diplomatic weight. Let no one underestimate the personal contribution of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II to the United Kingdom's preeminent place in the world. Long may she reign, and may we say, God save the Queen.